Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum, Solana, and a SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna dive in the 1 hour chart here with those coins to see what we might expect next. So we were expecting anyway our correction to unfold here, and it is unfolding very nicely today. We see some movement. So basically we are in a potential 1-2, of course, a leading diagonal as we mentioned, wave 2 as well. Wave 3 given wave 4 is required to reach as this red box between 0.38 0.23. Invalidation here. Wow, okay, that was confirmation. Now it is invalidation of a bullish. So the same invalidation of bullish 2210. We're looking right now at this correction. Why I'm very somehow confident that this is a correction ABC in a wave 4, that because of the triangle, which is not allowed to be a wave 2, meaning also you have a 3 waves by the way here potentially, and it can be even an impulse internally, but it looks for me 3 waves. However, we have A, B, C, D, and an E, and we push down. And that means, of course, on the 15-minute chart here, if you want to take a closer look, this is already ABC, A, B, C, D, and an E. And then we start an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to reach, of course, our area for this correction waveform. However, if the things will turn bearish, well, it's not so far to know that it is bearish. 2210 is our answer that we are bearish again. That means, of course, if we take this number, then okay, it is a wave Y there, meaning W, X, and a wave Y. And we have potentially here and a potential also larger WX and a Y. And here where it comes the low possibility, where you have a WX and a Y inside a wave Y, right? Therefore, it gives you higher possibility for the 1-2, another 1-2, and then of course we're looking for something to push for higher still. So we'll see how this is going to unfold for Ethereum in the next days, or I would say today, yeah, and we might get an answer, nobody knows. We'll see, guys. So for Solana also very interesting, the same as for Ethereum 1 hour chart here, 1-2, another leading diagonal, wave 1, another wave 2, and an impulse pushing towards the upside. Now this impulse is different a little bit from Ethereum. It might be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a massive wave 3. Meaning wave 2 is also unfolding over there for Solana, very likely to hit, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level, where we have $91 and A, B, and a C, where we have, of course, a potential, let's say it is an impulse, and then wave B, and I think even wave B is there. So this is our wave A. We have an A, B, and a C somehow. Can be a W, also an X, and a wave Y, 3 waves, and we start a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, very required scenario here. Potentially can be the 1-to-1, which is in confluence in this zone area. The first testing area is broken. That means we shift to the next one, which is the 0.618, 0.786. In case this is going to turn into something deeper, we'll see, of course, but very likely that this area might be taken over there. So in confluence, I would say this area is very likely $91 and around it $90. After this, we might expect, of course, something to push toward the upside here. Invalidation, well, okay, invalidation is harder than Ethereum. So if you want to check really invalidation for altcoins, Ethereum would be a good reference, by the way. But basically invalidation of a bullish would be over there. Yeah, total invalidation by invalidation of this one too. Yeah, by taking the low, which is not allowed. Well, Ethereum is much more informative beforehand. Yeah, like earlier. You know, so that we are not bullish anymore. 2210. So we'll see. Now, of course, it can be even. Nobody knows. It can be a deeper wave too. Meaning that turning this into another 1-2, but possibility becomes lower, 1-2, 1-2, and then a deeper 1-2. Well, not so much low, honestly, but it can be. Yeah, it can be 1-2 again, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, guys. The same for Solana. The same what Solana is potentially doing a deeper correction in a wave 2. $90 to be watched. For SUI, we're gonna see also SUI on the 1 hour chart here. We have a 1, wave 2 given, very complex, and then 1, 2, and potentially another 1, 2, and pushing for higher. So triple 1, 2s. Otherwise, we are of course in W, X, and a wave Y finished nicely. I would say that is a nice finish, but wave Y, no, everything is fine. There is no but. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so that is totally fine for a W, X, and a Y. And then of course it can be bearish. Yeah, so can be bearish. To be watched, of course. Anyway, minimum target is 0.38 here. For SUI, we are looking for a wave 2, A, B, and a C here. And if we dive inside it, if we take here the 1-to-1 fib level, we are looking here at the 1. Perfect, very nice. It is so much in confluence with our testing area, 0.38, $0.97 for SUI, meaning A, B, and a C very likely to unfold. Breaking this, well, okay, it's a red flag. We might still, of course, unfold something here in this area, but once you become impulsive, well, the possibility gets higher, of course, for bearish. Yeah, we'll see. Of course, we'll take it step by step. If a signal of strength is given here, 5 ways up, 3 ways down, pushing for higher confirmation, this is the signal that we would like to see anywhere in this red box starting there, and of course to launch a bull run for the altcoins, guys. So that was it for SUI and Solana and Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.